Here's a tutorial on how to use the Hermes 3000 case. So here we have the machine in its case. Always gently lay it flat. Notice that the feet are on the back of the case. The bottom of the case doubles as the bottom of the machine. Now, there's a little switch here. You can see that you move that over and you'll hear it unlatch. Sometimes it can be a little stiff, especially if the machine is wrapped inside, as many do to ship it, just to keep it safer. And if that's the case, you jostle like this and pull this off. And notice that this back piece, it hooks under the back of the machine. So in order to put the case on, for one thing, you make sure that the carriage is centered. Note that there's a very little clearance, so if the carriage is off to one side, it won't work. So the easiest way to get it centered is to use the carriage lock, which is in another tutorial. This will spring out of the way when you put the case on. Put the back all the way down, and then just these hooks clip into these two holes here on this model. And there you have it. The reason I'm doing this tutorial is because, for one thing, people pick this up when this isn't fully latched. The machine falls out and gets smashed. So definitely make sure it's latched in well. And also just carry, it's a good idea to just carry it by the bottom anyway, just to be really safe. And another thing, a lot of times people are going, why won't this open? And they'll do this and it'll fall off the table onto the ground. So, you know, it's straightforward once you've done it, but if you're new to typewriters, the weight is a little bit weird because the machine is on the bottom, latched to the case, and often feels like the case is upside down. So that's how you open a Hermes 3000 and put it back in the case without damage. And thank you. I hope you enjoy your new machine.